So today I'm showing you how to make this delicious, very tasty chicken stir fry. This tasted so good. So the first thing I want to get ready is my chicken. So I just spice up my chicken with some garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Just mix up everything together until this is well mixed. If you are new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new video. So once your chicken has properly mixed, the next thing you want to do is just want to cover this up and place in the refrigerator just for it to marinate for like 30 to an hour. So as our chicken is marinating, the next thing I want to prep for is my veggies. I'm just chopping up some bell peppers. The next vegetable I want to get ready is sweet corn.
Balsamic glaze on avocado, curry blends, a ginger kick.
So another thing I'm getting ready is some chili pepper. So you can decide to use the red or the green. So just chop that nicely and set aside. So another veggies I have on my table is some green beans. So just chop that as well. So the next thing I want to cut is my cabbage. So another thing I want to get ready is some garlic, ginger, and onion. So that is it. So other ingredients I'm going to be introducing as we make our delicious stir fry. So into your pot, just heat up some oil. So the next thing you want to do, you just want to add in your marinated chicken. So you just want to just brown that for some minutes, so like 2 to 5 minutes. As you add your chicken into your pot, so that juice that you're seeing, like that chicken juice that you're seeing, do not discard it. We're still going to make use of it in our sauce. So like I said, just allow this to just brown up for 2 to 5 minutes. So once that is done, just scoop out the chicken.
Time and wine, vanilla sky.
So into the chicken juice, you just want to combine water, soy sauce, and sweet chili sauce. So I already have a video of how to make your own delicious sweet chili sauce. So do check the description box for the link to that particular video. So the next thing you want to do, just that oil that we used to brown our chicken, add in some chopped onion and our garlic and ginger. So you just want to saute that just for some few seconds. So once that is done, just add in your sweet corn, go in with your chili pepper, and then go in with your green beans, add in your bell peppers, and then add in your cabbage. Just mix up everything together.
Oh baby, life's just seasoned right.
So we turn the chicken back into the pot and then mix up everything together. You know that this is going to be so tasty, very delicious, and it's very easy to make. So do not forget to try out this recipe, and if you do, let me know in the description box how it turned out. So the next thing you want to do is just want to add in your sauce, and then just allow this to just cook for just 2 to 5 minutes, and there you have it. Your delicious sauce is ready. So the next thing you want to just do, just to take this to another level, is just to add in some sesame seed oil and some spring onion. So I also have a video of how to make your own homemade delicious sesame seed oil. So I'm going to drop the link to that particular video in the description box below. So do want to check it out and just mix up everything together, and there you have it. Your delicious, simple stir fried chicken is ready.